Hi everyone, welcome to another video tutorial, and this time we will talk about Canvas. So if you are asking what is Canvas, an LMS, a learning management system, and in this video we're gonna look at Canvas on how we can build a course using modules. Canvas is another medium for teachers to manage their classes and provide content not just for the students but also for parents. So teachers can put assignments, discussions, and various announcements, while students can turn in their work and view their respective grades. So there are a lot of things that you can do with Canvas, but in this tutorial, I will focus on using modules in building a course, and will give you the basic Canvas tools that you need to know in order to become successful in using Canvas. So if we access Canvas, it will ask you to log in, but if you are new in using this Canvas LMS, you are required to. This one is for sign up for an account and it is free. So, but in my case, I have an existing account, so here it is. So this is how my Canvas looks like. So the Canvas user interface has three main components. This part is the dashboard, and on the left side is the global navigation. The global navigation will always here and you will always see even if you are creating a course and navigating on your modules. So on the right corner, this is the sidebar, which you can see the coming up events and other reminders in your course. So in my dashboard, I have 3 unpublished courses. So I have 1 published course and 3 unpublished courses. In the dashboard, you will see the summarized list of courses. So this time, I will show you how these courses are created. And by the way, the difference between published and unpublished, the published courses are the ones available to your students, while the unpublished course is the one you're still working and not yet ready for dissemination to students. So let us start a new course. To start a new course, you just need to click the Start a New Course button on the right corner. So let's start. So for example, our course name is e-business. But if you have a long course name, you can put the course code on the short name to shorten the title of your course. So for me it's just a e-business, so that's okay. And the content license. You can set the privacy of your course depending on your purpose. But this one, I'm gonna set it to public. Then create course. Remember that if you create the course, it does not mean that it is already published. So you can see the course status, meaning our created course e-business is still unpublished. So we have just created a new course named e-business. So what we gonna do is create a new module. So how we gonna create a module? So just click create a new module. For example, this is Chapter 1, Unit 1. Then, and below is the security of your module, the lock until check, and you will put the date if you want to lock the module. The lock until function, this is for teachers who wants to limit the students to view the module. If you want to set a specific time for them to view the lesson, or you want them to view the modules one at a time, then this function is perfect for you. So if you have decided what date you want to lock it, then you can just click done. But I don't want it to be locked, so I will just leave it unchecked. Then, if you're done, you just click add module. So here we have now one module, the chapter 1, unit 1. So to add lessons, or to add content to your module, you can just choose files from your computers and upload the file. So it will direct you to your files on your computer, or you can just drop. For example, I have here the first content, the PNG. You can upload any files or any types of files. So we have just created modules in e-business course. So let's go to some menus you can use in your module. First, on the announcement section, you can add or create announcements for your students by clicking the announcement button here with the plus sign, the blue button. Here you can type the information you want to share with your students. So you can put a title and the body of your announcements in this part. So next is for the assignments. So it will ask you if you want to leave, because this announcement section is still blank, so we go to leave button. So in assignment sections, no assignment in this group since we have just created a new course, so I don't have yet the students. So you can just click again the blue button with assignment label. For example, let's see files, the links. If you want to insert links on your assignments or add files, then below you can indicate the points, the assignments group if you have the group of students divided into different groups or activities. Then this is some of your choices you can do in creating assignment. So on the discussion, it allows the students and instructors to talk about the topic they discuss at any time, and it has also a guide for the students on how they can communicate with their respective instructors. So here we have no current discussions because it only has a teacher but no students yet. And on the grade sections, this is where you can put your grades to your students, and it is sorted according to course. You can sort the assignments alphabetically or by due date. Then, okay. So if you are typing your grades, remember that it will be automatically saved to that students. Going back to our module, if you are wondering how your module will appear to your students, you can view it in the student view. Student view will allow you to view your module as a student. So what the students see are the discussions, grades, people, file, syllabus, conferences, and collaborations. So here we can see that what the teachers put on the module will be what the students can view. So let's see on the files. Since a while ago we put the PNG file on the e-business course, so it appears here. So students can view the course stream, but since I don't have the overview of the course and I didn't put any on the module, it appears no recent or no modules have been defined in this course. And students can also view the view course notifications, the calendars, and the course stream. So again, students can only view discussions, grades, people, file, syllabus, conference, collaborations, but they cannot modify the content. Okay, because that is for teachers only. So if you are done with the student view, you can just leave by clicking Leave Student View. Going back to our e-business course, now we go to adding students on the course. So adding students will be located at the people menu. Click on the people, then you will see this interface. You can add people, and at the same time you can assign the role that will depend on the course. So all roles you can choose as a student, teacher, or whatever from these menus. So commonly you will add students. So this button, so if you add students, this is how we're gonna look like. So the role as students, and on the section, so to add students, you can choose by using their email address or login ID, SIS ID, then just type their details here. The separators used is comma. If you have multiple students that you want to add, you just use the comma as a separator. Then this checkbox, which asks you if you want your students to interact with users in their section only. Then if you want that, you can just check this box. So I will just leave it unchecked, then cancel since I don't have students. So we're going back to the module, and if you're done with your content on the module and you are now ready for viewing of your students, just click the published button here and it will change the status to published. So as you can see on your dashboard, e-business are now on the published course section. Again, on your dashboard, you can see both the published and unpublished courses. So you can easily identify what courses you are currently working and courses that are need to be done for them to publish. You can also check on the global navigation on your account and you can personalize it. So if you are done working with your Canvas, don't forget to log out your account for security purposes. So I think I'm done. I hope you learned some of the basic tools in Canvas from this video, and you might want to use Canvas as your new friend in this time of pandemic since it is free and easy to use. So thank you everyone, and God be with you always.